Hello everyone, so here's a quick guide to installing LiveIn widget on your phone. I'll try to cover though a lot of details. Here's the app, and it's the top app to sharing this image widgets. So you basically take a photo or upload a photo and then you can share it to your friend's home screen. But there are some issues with actually installing the widget here. So basically this is how it looks like. This is the widget. So I just posted some photo and there is actually a new feature with a duet and someone reacted. But let's just go through the beginning. So first of all, I need to install the LiveIn app. So it should be installed and I should have an account. Then I need to tap and hold on any screen where I want to have LiveIn installed. So if you want to go to your home screen, go to your home screen. If you want to go to second or third screen, go there. Then you can just tap and hold the apps. Then you just tap plus in the top right, and then here is your LiveIn widget. Now here, sometimes, actually quite often, there is a bug that people search in the widget library and they can't find LiveIn widget. So as you can see, I see it right now. It also happened to me. So how I solved that? So basically, if you just open LiveIn app, so just try to swipe it up like that. And this is the way to restart the app. So you don't need to turn off your phone or turn on again. You don't need to restart your Wi-Fi or anything. Just try to restart the app and then just open app again. And after that, the widget should appear in the widget library. So at least that what worked for me. I don't know if it hopefully will solve the issue for you. But for a lot of people, it works just fine. And you will be able to find this LivePic widget here in your library. And then there are like 4 widget sizes. There is a small size just with 1 pic. There is a huge size on a half screen. Then there is like 3 people. And there are like 4. So let's just install the simple one so you can see the idea. So here is the widget, and here I will see all the photos from my followers, from people not from my followers, from people I follow on LiveIn. So basically imagine if you're on Instagram, you're following someone and you see their pictures in your home feed. Here is the same. You're following people here, and then you can, so this are all the profiles I'm following, and then you can see their photos in your widget. Here in the setting, there is an interesting widget setting which is actually very helpful. You can select your best friend from your following list, and only their amount will be updated in your widget. So here, for example, I can follow like 50 people, but I don't want to see all their photos in my widget on my home screen. So I can select all, or I can deselect all, and then I can just see specific photos here from specific people. And then it will be updated in my widget. I mean, maybe it just takes time. Yeah, so now you see the image from previous user wasn't displayed. Now only this image is displayed. So that's basically the idea here. So that's that. Okay, so to remove the widget, I just tap and hold on it, and then I can tap remove, or I can tap and hold and the app start to jiggle, and then I can remove as well. So now let's check out what will happen if I install a larger widget. So here it is. I can just tap on it, and then let's just install three items. So what it happens then is just I see all the images from 3 users, not just from 1 user, but from 3 users which I'm following. And of course I follow I want to see photos from 5 users. So, and then I guess they will be switching and updating in real time. We can also install like a larger widget, and you can install multiple widgets. So let's just install also this one. So you can install that in case you really enjoyed the app. So then you can see even more pictures. But bear in mind that like these widgets are draining your battery a lot, and especially if you're also using Locket widget or some other widgets like weather, news widgets, like your battery even on newer phones can go down pretty fast, because these widgets are like, you know, updating in real time, so they consume this battery power. So that's that. Yeah, and then you can just remove it as I showed you. So that's the idea. That's how it works. If you have any other suggestions or comments around this app, just leave them in the comments below.